Well, guess what I'm gonna do today? I'm gonna be burping the ABCs. So now what I got today is some sparkling water. It's a mystery fruit flavor. What the flavor? And I got talking rain. Talking rain. Yes, with tangerine. Okay. Alright, so I'm gonna drink these and we will start now. Please don't explode on me. Seriously, it smells good. Oh, man. FGHI C K A. He got stuck. KLMNOPQRST UVWX. And that's the... Well, what's going on today? I don't know. Okay. Woo! Tangerine. This has carbonated water and natural flavors in it. This one was really good. Sparkling water. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Oh. Gotta drink some more. How about that? Oh. A, B, C, D, F, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, M, O, B, Q, R, S, T, U, E, W, X. Y and Z. And then you know, after tape, I got a lot of saliva. That's all you know. I got a lot of saliva. Oh, my mama! I missed! Oh well. Hope you guys have a good day. That's it for today.